Hey guys, welcome back. Today is going to be a fun video and kind of like a goodbye video. Don't be scared. I'm actually moving from my nice home in Texas to a completely different state, a brand new adventure for my family. But I wanted to look back on this home because it has such a special place in my heart. It's our first house that we bought, and we completely made over this entire home. And so I just wanted to look back at all the DIY projects that we did on this house to make it our dream home and share that with you so that you can see the progress and see what really got me interested in doing a DIY channel. It's going to be a lot of fun today, guys, so let's get started. When we first purchased this home, it was such a passion project because it had so much work that we wanted to do on the house, and it was just my husband and I, and also my mom, who was a very good builder, also helped us with a lot of the projects. And we really thought, you know, the location is where we want to be. It's right by the lake, but the home needed so much work. But it turned out to be such a beautiful piece in the end. And when we walked in, just to be able to call that home our own and get started on all the projects was a lot of fun. The first thing that we did was go through the whole house and start giving everything a nice solid coat of paint. So the rooms, to get them all brightened up, we made sure everything was nice and bright and white. We did an agreeable gray throughout the home, and we went ahead and took all of the dark wood and we did a spray on that with my gray coat machine, and I spray painted all the cabinets with the gray coat machine a nice beautiful ultra white paint color. And this really transformed the home to make it nice and bright and white, because we really, although the dark wood is beautiful, for us it just wasn't the feeling we wanted. We wanted a lot of bright and a lot of white and that feeling of just a lot of light in the home. In the living room, we ripped out that fireplace that was there, mainly because it felt like there was a lot of different styles going on in this home. And so this fireplace, we took that big stone out and we installed a fireplace that went all the way to the ceiling with this beautiful stone here. My mom actually did a lot of work on that. We did a nice mantelpiece there. And after that stone fireplace was installed, I think that it looked so much cleaner and brighter next to that bright white entertainment center. In the kitchen, we went through and painted all the cabinets, changed all the hardware, put in a new backsplash, and so those modifications really just made this really pop and stand out nice and bright. A lot of white in there as well. We went ahead and did all the same things, painted all the cabinets in the laundry room and the entryway. And one of the big transformations, that every bathroom in this house was completely different. So a big thing for us was to make all the bathrooms homogeneous. So we actually went in and added the same floor tile to every bathroom throughout the house, put the same toilet in every bathroom. In the smaller bathrooms, we changed the vanities so that they all had the same white marble top bathroom, except for upstairs, the one bathroom, we changed out the sinks. And by doing that, it really created a little bit more of a homogeneous palette for us, and I really enjoyed that nice, clean aesthetic. In the master bathroom, we even did an extra large custom shower with a Schluter system with a double shower head, and then we put a nice big soaking tub on the other side and a nice large chandelier that I made there, and it just really turned out to be a beautiful setting in this bathroom. We redid everything in this home. The fireplaces were all redone, and everything was done in an aesthetic to create a homogeneous look. We changed every light fixture in the house, and even went outside. I put in these beautiful landscaping pieces, and let me tell you, when I dug out this area of grass, it was one of the hardest workouts I've ever done, but it was absolutely stunning in the end and so worth it. And now that you've seen a lot of the before pictures and a lot of the kind of tear out and tear down, I want to show you the nice video of how everything turned out and how this masterpiece has basically just been our first project, but not our last for sure, but certainly it was such a wonderful thing to experience. So here's the final product, and yes, our home is now for sale. So guys, I hope you liked that final look of our home. For me, it's bittersweet because we put so much love into making this home special for us. But now we're going to get ready to go on a new adventure, and we are so excited. My family is so excited. And so leave me a comment below and try to take a guess where you think that we're moving to. Which state in the US do you think we're moving? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.